Now, vertical asymptote, remember in the last lesson we talked about, comes about by taking the denominator and setting it equal to 0. And we said that that restricts the domain. The domain cannot include values where the denominator goes to 0 because it blows up to infinity. And we graphed it, I kind of sketched a couple showing you the dotted lines, the vertical dotted lines. The function can never get to that dotted line. It's like the light barrier, the speed of light. Nothing can go faster than that. So the function, if there is a vertical asymptote, will never cross that line because it'll just get closer and closer and closer without ever getting there. So how do we find these vertical asymptotes? We just take the denominator and we set it equal to 0. Now in this case, it was very simple. Once we take the denominator and set it equal to 0, there's nothing left to do. So in our coordinate grid, when we draw this, if we put a dotted line right on top of the kind of the y-axis there, that's the vertical line x is equal to 0, the function will never cross that point. It'll just go to infinity at that point. Learn anything at mathandscience.com.